Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good to see you, Maureen.
Good to see you too. So we have a question today. The question is, how much does it cost to hire an attorney? Is this on everybody's mind or not, hopefully?
Well, I guess I hope not, because that means you're thinking about having to hire a lawyer. But, you know, if you are, there are several different kinds of law. Obviously, different lawyers get paid differently. Well, maybe not obviously, but most family law, that kind of thing, is charged by the hour. Civil work, business litigation, those kind of things are generally charged by the hour. You know, corporate wills and probate and that kind of things, generally an hourly or by the job kind of rate. So, you know, criminal law can be by the job or by the case, you know, but anyway, but in civil litigation that I do and suing insurance companies, we do it on a contingency basis. So we don't get paid up front. We don't have retainers, and we front the expenses. And if we're able to succeed, then we get paid.
Okay. So is there some way to have the other side pay for your fees? How does all that work? What if if you lose, right? Or you don't win?
Yeah, if you lose in our situation, you don't pay us. I mean,
Okay.
we work hard not to lose. But that is the big question, really. How do you shift fees? How do you make the responsible party pay? You know, we hear about frivolous litigation. Frankly, there's more frivolous defense than frivolous cases being brought, because the lawyer has to front the expenses, you know. So I'm not going to waste my time on what I consider to be frivolous case. But we hear frivolous defenses a lot, and there are ways that we position the case to try and make the other side responsible. So, you know, there are ways through there's something called an offer of judgment, which is used not that often, but I think effectively can be, where you say, look, if you pay this amount, now we can get it done. If you don't, we go to trial and we do better than that, then you will be responsible for our attorney's fees. There's bad faith situations with insurance companies where they don't act right. There's a stubborn litigiousness that can be brought to a jury's attention, where fees can be shifted. But we don't really have a loser pay system. But there are mechanisms to set the other side up, really in the interest of efficiency. Don't drag this out. We know what needs to be done. Let's get this done now. And if you don't, there'll be a price to pay for it. So that's really a lot of what we do in cases.
Yeah, very good. Well, thank you for answering the question today, Gary. And we'll see
Thank you very much.
on the very next Legal Break.